Hello traders and welcome to the market opening preview. Monday, May 4th, 2015, the start of a brand new trading week. NFP on Friday, the biggest data release of the month. We're looking for a positive, great week ahead. Glad to be with you. Traders, I am coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand, and I do this during the Asia session. Traders, this is brought to you through FXCL Excellence in Trading. Traders, if you would, come visit our site at fxclearing.com for your trading solutions. Traders, got a lot to talk about today. Got 6 currency pairs, got some news and data, and what else we got? I don't know. We'll find something to talk about. So let me introduce myself to you real quickly. My name is William Gilday. I am your moderator for the market opening preview every single trading day before the London Open. Traders, I started trading in the year of 2006 and 2008. I retired from a wonderful 27-year career in the fire rescue department out of the great state of Florida. Traders, I came to Thailand for a 3-month holiday to celebrate my 27-year career. And, well, traders, it's 2015. I'm still here, and I'm having a great time. I do trade the Forex market every single day. I'm always looking for probabilities and opportunities, listening to fundamentals, watching technicals, to enter trades where I have the percentage on my side of winning the trade. Now, we do lose trades. That's just part of the game. It's okay to lose a trade as long as you have good money management skills. And hopefully we can teach you some of that. All right, traders, let's move along and get the legal stuff out of the way. This is our risk disclaimer. Forex trading has a large potential rewards, but also a large potential of risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the Forex markets. Traders, do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. That is so important. If you don't have the money, trade on a demo account until your equity is okay to open a live account and trade where it's not an issue and doesn't hinder your trading thinking, which is what happens when you go to a live account. Traders, always remember that past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. Traders, let's head over to the news and commentary. Looked like a good day on Friday. However, I have to be honest with you, I really did not participate in the markets on Friday. I took the day off. In Asia today, on the calendar, we had building approvals. It was only a medium impact, but however, it did come in positive. It was forecast for negative 2.0 and came in at positive 2.8. I did not see any reaction on the chart as of yet. And we do have some China data coming out, HSBC manufacturing PMI, that is high impact, and that is coming out in the Asia session. Traders, remember that the Great British Pound is closed today. The UK is closed today for a bank holiday. In the London session, we do have German manufacturing PMI. That will move the market. I've gotten stung by that bee a couple of times. Yeah, I don't get stung by that bee no more. And traders, that about wraps it up as far as data goes. Let's see what the markets did on Friday as far as the indices go. And the index of the US 30 was up positive 1.03%. The S&P 500 was up 1.09%. Nasdaq was up 1.29%, with the Russell 2000 up 0.58%. Moving over to the Eurozone, the DAX was up 0.19%. The FTSE was up 0.36%, and the CAC 40 was up 0.14%, and the Euro Stock 40 was the only one in the red, very barely, at negative 0.04%. Let's head on over to Asia, and remember, these countries are currently trading. It looks like the Nikkei might be off today, as I don't see them live. But they closed on Friday at positive 0.06%. The S&P ASX 200 is currently trading, and they're just in the green, barely at 0.01%. The Shanghai is currently trading at 0.14% in the green, and the Hang Seng, barely in the red, currently trading at 0.07%. And the Kospi is in the green, healthy at 0.35%. So that's going on with our calendar and our numbers so far today. All right, so we have China data, which we have to watch out for. In fact, it might be out already, but I don't have accessibility to switch to the charts, so we can't do that. All right, commentary. I think we have a good week ahead. I think we have some good trade plans today. We got a couple of pairs that are approaching the 200 exponential moving average on the daily charts. So watch your daily charts this week. There's like 3 pairs that are coming up on the daily. So keep an eye on that. And the pound, just to give you an example, is bounced. And we've gotten 3 red candles on the daily chart from the pound bouncing off the 200 exponential moving average. So that's just to give you an example how important it is to always look at a higher time frame. All right, let's go over and take a look at some 60-minute Forex charts. And as usual, we will start with the euro dollar. All right, we are still bullish. This is still an uptrend, and we're just going to continue to play the little gamearoo here. Looks like late in New York brought it back down on Friday, but we're basically at a spot. If we get a bullish engulfing candle, I'm more than happy to take this to the long side to 1.1400. Nice psychological level to get out of the trade. We've got plenty of pips. We don't need a pullback. We are ready to go. This trade is ready to go. The 200 exponential moving average is of no problem at the moment, as it's pretty far away from price at 1.0992. So we have plenty of room there. No worries on that point. And really, we're just ready to go. If this gives us a bullish engulfing candle, I am ready to go and take the long trade. We'll buy this baby. Let's take a look at the pound. Remember that the pound is on a bank holiday today. You never know how the pound's going to react, though, holiday or not. You know, I said that this pair is bullish, and it is. It's just that it's having trouble getting through the 200 exponential moving average on the daily chart. So we basically have 2 trades here. So what if it, for some reason, takes out the 200 exponential moving average at 5,200, which is a psychological level and all that good stuff, but we get above it, we get a bullish candle. Yep, of course, I would buy it. I have no problem with that. I still think that this is a bullish pair until it proves me wrong. However, if it maintains its bearish mode, as it's probably going to have very low volatility today, and we get a nice candlestick formation below the trend line, which is a valid trend line, 3-touch trend line, I would be more than happy to sell this at 1.5156. Looks like a nice trade to me. We'll see how that goes throughout the day. Let's go over to the Aussie. This is the Aussie dollar. Now, this is before data, so I haven't seen a chart before that, but I don't think it would make that much of a difference as far as our trade plan goes. If this comes back up to the 200 exponential moving average, which I would love to see happen, we will just take this down, no problem. If it breaks our trend line, gives us a bearish candlestick formation, I would get some confirmation. When I say get confirmation, I'm saying go back to a 15-minute chart or a 5-minute chart and make sure that you got some red candles on there, and then continue your trade and take it short. But I would definitely get some sort of confirmation. However you do that, whether you use a MACD or stochastics, or I go to a lower time frame and I just analyze the lower time frame. Is usually what I do as far as that goes. And traders today, always look at your daily chart on any trade you're going to take before you do. All right, let's take a look at the Euro Aussie. A little craziness now, but the Euro Aussie is another one that's at resistance. It's also at resistance on the daily chart, so I expect a bounce here. I didn't even fib this, so I'm just looking for this to come back down because it's at the 200 exponential moving average. I want to sell this at 1.4276. Yes, I know it's a counter trend trade, but I know this pair and I know its personality, and if it starts to head down, it's going to continue. So I would, of course, check the daily chart before I took my entry to see where we are in reference to the 200. But we are at resistance, and you know the rule says we sell at resistance and buy at support. So it's time to sell this bad boy, and let's see if we can make some pips on it. The 200 exponential moving average is of no problem, as it's at 1.3982. So let's take a look at one of my favorite pairs, and that's the Euro Yen. Euro Yen is still bullish. Again, we don't need this pullback to the 618 Fibonacci at 133.93. I think if you get a bullish candle right now, I would take it and I would run with it and I would enter the trade. And I don't think you have to wait for the London Open on any of these trades at the moment. I think if you get the trade and the setup, just take the trade, and money management and lot size and all that stuff, you'll figure out where you need to put your stop. That's why I stopped putting stops on the charts, my friends, because I was putting stops and I didn't want people using my stops. You have to use your stops, and that's just because of my lot size that I trade and your lot size is different. So that's why I stopped putting stops on the charts. But this looks like a good trade. It's it's in an uptrend. I mean, if you look at this spatially, it's just a beautiful looking chart. All right, let's go over to the New Zealand dollars. The New Zealand dollar sort of straightened out itself on Friday. Went back to the bearish move here. It stopped the ugliness. So I do need to pull back here. I need this to come back up to that 38.2 Fibonacci level at 0.7551, and we can take this to the downside. If this breaks this fib level at support and gives us a retest, well, then that becomes resistance and we can sell it. The nice thing about this is if you expand this chart left of the chart, it's a wide open space. So it's a really nice trade if we can get this trade to work and break support. Once it pulls back, comes down, breaks support, and continues down. I think we have a really nice trade on this New Zealand dollar. So we will keep an eye on that. No data out of the Kiwi today, so that is not an issue. That wraps up our 6 currency pairs traders. On behalf of myself, William Gilday, and our great friends at FXCL Excellence in Trading, I'd like to thank you for joining me on a Monday, May 4th, 2015, the beginning of an exciting trading week ahead. Traders, always remember to trade smart, not hard. Traders, have a great trading day. Grab those profits, and always remember, it's just got to do it the right way. That's it, right? You want the probabilities on your side. Traders, have a great trading day. See you next time. Bye-bye.